Which bird is known for its ability to mimic car alarms? It's starling. What is the largest flightless bird in the world? Correct answer is ostrich. Which bird is associated with delivering mail in the Wizarding world? Answer is owl. Which bird is often considered a symbol of peace? It's dove. What is the only continent where penguins are not found naturally? Antarctica. Which bird is known for its ability to hover in midair while feeding? It's kingfisher. What is the national bird of Japan? Answer is crane. Which bird is the fastest swimmer among birds? Correct answer is penguin. What is the only species of bird capable of flying backward? It's hummingbird. Which bird is known for its impressive courtship dance performed by the males? Answer is peacock.